ये देश मेरा मैं देश का.
To watch live passing out parade, Dikshant Samaroh of 71 regular recruit Indian Police Service probationers. Today, they are passing out of the portals of National Police Academy in the service of the nation.
And central police organizations. The respective flags of these formations can also be seen fluttering in the breeze over these insignias.
किले की प्राचीर पर लहराते हुए झंडों के सानिध्य में खड़े नवयुवा परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी मानो कह रहे हों, ये ध्वज है हमारे गौरव, हम इन्हें न झुकने देंगे, इनकी रक्षा की खातिर हम प्राण अपने तज देंगे.
From the center of the fort wall gate, the first flag is off towards the left, National Police Academy, followed by Jharkhand, BSF, ITBP, Nagaland, West Bengal, Chandigarh, Nepal, Goa, Tripura, Delhi, SPG, Sikkim, RPF, Jammu and Kashmir, CRPF, Kerala, CISF, SSB, NSG, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Uttarakhand and Meghalaya. From the center of the fort wall gate towards the right, the first flag is of Indian Police Service, followed by Andaman and Nicobar, Puducherry, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, Rajasthan, Punjab, Telangana, Mizoram, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Dadar Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu and Lakshadweep.
कुछ ही क्षणों में निशान टोली परेड मैदान में प्रवेश करेगी.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I draw your attention towards the quarter guard on your right, from where the Academy's color is just about to enter onto the parade ground. All the spectators are requested to stand up in their places as a mark of respect to the color when it passes through the parade ground, and the officers in uniform shall salute.
दर्शकों से अनुरोध है कि निशान के परेड मैदान में प्रवेश करते ही निशान के सम्मान में अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं तथा वर्दीधारी सैल्यूट करें.
The prestigious Nishan Toli is being commanded by Inspector DI Suryabhan Singh and Nishan is being carried by Inspector DI Satish Mali.
अकादमी की उत्कृष्ट सेवाओं तथा उपलब्धियों को ध्यान में रखते हुए माननीय राष्ट्रपति महोदय ने 15 सितंबर 1988 को अकादमी की 40वीं वर्षगांठ पर अकादमी को निशान प्रदान किया था। निशान में सभी राज्यों के पुलिस बलों तथा केंद्रीय पुलिस संगठनों के पहचान चिन्ह बने हुए हैं। कई सप्ताह के कड़े प्रशिक्षण के पश्चात भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी आज दीक्षांत परेड के अवसर पर आत्मविश्वास से भरे हुए खाकी वर्दी से गर्वित और गौरवान्वित इनका तेजस्वी मस्तक, इनकी मानसिक और शारीरिक शक्ति से जन्मा एक अदम्य साहस, इनकी इस दृढ़ता और आत्मविश्वास के साथ परेड मैदान में खड़े होना मानो कह रहा हो, वह खून कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें उबाल का नाम नहीं, वह खून कहो किस मतलब का आ सके देश के काम नहीं, वो खून कहो किस मतलब का जिसमें जीवन न रवानी हो, जो परवश होकर बहता है वह खून नहीं है पानी है।
In a short while from now, Joint Director Basic Course, Shri N. Madhusudhan Reddy will be amongst us. May I have your kind attention, please? Joint Director Basic Course, Shri N. Madhusudhan Reddy has arrived. Let's welcome him. Shri N. Madhusudhan Reddy is an IPS officer of 1997 batch, born on undivided Andhra Pradesh cadre. He is a graduate in electrical engineering from the College of Engineering, Anantapur. His first posting was as ASP of Armoor Subdivision of Nizamabad district. On promotion, he served as Additional SP Operations in Karimnagar district, as SP of Nizamabad and Kurnool districts, and as DCP of Central Zone, West Zone and South Zone in Hyderabad city. In the rank of DIG, he worked as Commissioner of Police, Vijayawada city, and as DIG Counter-Intelligence. As IG, he handled personal administration and provisioning and logistics wing in the police headquarters. He has vast experience in urban policing, anti-extremist work, and counter-terrorism. Recognizing his dedication towards the service of the nation, he was awarded Police Medal for Gallantry in the year 2003, Police Medal for Meritorious Service in the year 2013, and Antrik Suraksha Seva Medal in 2005. Presently, he is serving this prestigious academy since November 2017. May I have your kind attention, please? Joint Director Administration and Senior Course, Shri Amit Garg has arrived. We welcome you, sir. Amit Garg is an IPS officer of 1993 batch, born on undivided Andhra Pradesh cadre. He did his MA in Sociology and Masters in Philosophy from JNU Delhi. He served in Vizianagaram district as SP and also was on deputation with CBI as SP CBI Kolkata and Dhanbad. He held several other important assignments in Hyderabad City Police as DCP Crimes, DCP West Zone Law and Order, Joint CP Special Branch, Additional CP Law and Order, Additional CP Traffic, and Additional CP Crimes. He was Commissioner of Police Vijayawada in the rank of DIG and Commissioner of Police Visakhapatnam in the rank of IGP. He was CID Chief in the rank of ADG in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Before joining National Police Academy, he was Chairman of State Level Police Recruitment Board in Andhra Pradesh. Recognizing his dedication towards the service of the nation, he was awarded the Indian Police Medal for Meritorious Service in 2011, and he is also a recipient of Antrik Suraksha Seva Padak. At present, he is serving this academy since 28th February 2020.
आज की इस दीक्षांत परेड में कुल 129 परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी भाग ले रहे हैं, जिसमें 28 महिला अधिकारी शामिल है। आज की इस भव्य दीक्षांत परेड का नेतृत्व कर रही है तमिलनाडु काडर की परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी सुश्री किरण श्रुति डीवी। प्लाटून 1 का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं अगमुट कैडर के परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी श्री कलैवनन आर। प्लाटून 2 का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं मध्य प्रदेश कैडर के परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी श्री आदित्य मिश्रा। प्लाटून 3 का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं महाराष्ट्र कैडर के परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी श्री देशमुख यतीश विजयराव। निशान टोली का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं निरीक्षक सूर्यभान सिंह और निशान को थामे हुए हैं निरीक्षक सतीश माली। प्लाटून 4 का नेतृत्व कर रही है महाराष्ट्र कैडर की परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी सुश्री आंचल दलाल। प्लाटून 5 का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं झारखंड कैडर के परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी श्री के विजय शंकर।
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your kind attention, please? Director of the Academy, Shri Atul Karwal has arrived. Let's welcome him.
परेड कमांडर परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी सुश्री किरण श्रुति डीवी परेड का निरीक्षण करने का अनुरोध करने हेतु मंच की ओर अग्रसर।
प्लाटून और निशान परेड पर। परेड आपके डायरेक्शन के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान।
Shri Atul Karwal is an IPS officer of 1988 batch, born on Gujarat cadre. He completed his masters in business administration. He served as ASP and SP in many districts of Gujarat. He also served as Assistant Director Outdoors in Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Hyderabad from the year 1998 to 2002 and trained 4 batches of IPS officers. As IG CRPF Srinagar, he supervised 23 battalions for counter-terrorist operations and law and order. He was also IG training, IG and additional DG Pers, CRPF before joining this academy as director on December 27, 2019. Shri Karwal was adjudged the best officer trainee of his batch during his basic training at this academy. Recognizing his dedication towards the service, he was awarded Police Medal for Gallantry on the occasion of Republic Day 2020 and First Bar Police Medal for Gallantry on the occasion of Independence Day 2020. In addition to these prestigious medals, Shri Karwal was also awarded President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service in the year 2016 and Police Medal for Meritorious Service in 2010. Adding more feathers to his illustrious career, he has also been decorated with the Kathin Seva Padak for his duties in Srinagar, Parakram Padak for an operation in Kashmir, Ati Utkarsh Seva Padak, and commendation discs by Director SVP NPA, DG Jammu and Kashmir, and 5 discs from DG CRPF. He is an ultra-marathoner and a triathlete. He completed his 12 weeks police commando course with National Security Guard in 1994. He won a silver medal in individual tent pegging in the All India Police Equestrian Meet in 1997. He is also a black belt holder in martial arts and is well trained in scuba diving and skydiving, and also scaled Mount Everest on 22nd May 2008 as a member of the Indian Police Mount Everest Expedition. At present, he is serving this prestigious academy as director since December 27, 2019.
71वें बैच के परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारियों की दीक्षांत परेड का निरीक्षण करके मंच की ओर लौटते हुए अकादमी के निदेशक महोदय श्री अतुल करवल महोदय का आभार व्यक्त करते हुए हम पुनः मंच पर आपका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं। कुछ ही क्षणों में राष्ट्र ध्वज टोली मैदान में प्रवेश करेगी। सभी दर्शकों से अनुरोध है कि राष्ट्र ध्वज के परेड मैदान में प्रवेश करते ही राष्ट्र ध्वज के सम्मान में अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाए तथा वर्दीधारी सैल्यूट करें। देवी और सज्जनों, राष्ट्र ध्वज टोली की कमान संभाले हुए हैं श्री सोमवीर निरीक्षक एवं अकादमी ध्वज को थामे हुए हैं श्री पूरन सिंह तंवर निरीक्षक। दीक्षांत परेड का यह ऐतिहासिक दिन और शपथ ग्रहण करते 71वें बैच के नवयुवा परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी धन्य है वो माँ, वो पिता, वो गुरु, वो विद्यालय प्रांगण जिसने ऊर्जा और उत्साह से भरे हुए ऐसे सुपुत्र और सुपुत्रियाएं राष्ट्र की सेवा में अर्पित किए। तन, मन और धन से मातृभूमि को अपनी सेवाएं देने का संकल्प लेकर ये युवा आज राष्ट्र यज्ञ में अपनी निष्ठा सिद्ध करने का प्रण ले रहे हैं। मानो कह रहे हो कि मेरे मस्तक के सिंहासन पर भारत माता आसीन रहे, मैं सदा देशभक्त रहूं, ये देश सदा स्वाधीन रहे। भारत की स्वतंत्रता और आत्मनिर्भरता का प्रतीक है तिरंगा झंडा। केसरिया, सफेद और हरा, इन 3 रंगों के मेल से सुसज्जित तिरंगा प्रतीक है हमारे बलिदान का, प्रतीक है हमारे शौर्य का, प्रतीक है हमारी खुशहाली का, हमारे धैर्य का, सत्य का, शुद्धता का, समरसता का और प्रतीक है हमारे विश्वास का। शपथ ग्रहण का यह पवित्र दिन परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारियों के जीवन में एक मील का पत्थर है, श्रेष्ठता की ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाने वाला एक पुण्य पथ है, सफलता की राह में एक अविरल पायदान है। भारतीय पुलिस सेवा में पड़ने वाले कदम अनुभव कराएंगे नए उत्तरदायित्व का, नूतन गंतव्यों का और नई जिम्मेदारियों का। कठिन प्रशिक्षण के ये दिन अविस्मरणीय भावों की तरह सदैव सुरक्षित रहेंगे और आज ली हुई यह शपथ जीवन भर याद आएगी। जीवन के प्रत्येक निर्णय, प्रत्येक दुर्गम मोड़ पर हमें सशक्त बनाएगी और जागृत रखेगी अपने कर्तव्यों के प्रति। शपथ ग्रहण का यह पावन दिन, ये शपथ है तिरंगे के प्रति, ये शपथ है राष्ट्र के प्रति, ये शपथ है समाज के प्रति और ये शपथ है संस्थान के प्रति, अपने परिजनों के सम्मान के प्रति और अपने स्वाभिमान के प्रति। ये शपथ है निष्ठा की, ईमानदारी की, न्याय की और संवेदी पुलिस के रूप में एक कुशल प्रशासक की। मानो ये नवयुवा कह रहे हो, धरती हमारी, गगन हमारा, नदी हमारी, चमन हमारा, इन सब की रक्षा कर, यही तो है अब धर्म हमारा। इस संदेश के साथ शपथ लेते 71वें बैच के परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी।
Ladies and gentlemen, the eminent opportunity of carrying the national flag is given to Inspector DI Somveer, and Inspector DI Puran Singh Tawar is carrying the Academy's flag. The Indian national flag represents the hopes and aspirations of the people of India. It is the symbol of our national pride. Over the last few decades, several people, including members of armed force, have unselfishly laid down their lives to keep the tricolor flying in its full glory. A thoughtful mind, when it sees a nation's flag, sees not the flag only, but the nation itself. And whatever may be its symbol, its insignia, he reads essentially in the flag the government, the principles, the truths, and the history which belongs to the nation that sets it forth. The ceremonial touching of the national flag by the IPS probationers is a precursor to the oath of allegiance to the Constitution of India that the IPS probationers will be taking today. They will dedicate themselves in the service of the nation and pledge to serve the people as per the ideals of the police service, ensuring justice for all without fear or favor. Now, Joint Director Basic Course, Shri N. Madhusudhana Reddy, will administer the oath to the IPS probationer of 71 RR batch.
मैं शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं भारत के संविधान के प्रति एवं भारतीय पुलिस के आदर्शों के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भय या पक्षपात, अनुराग या द्वेष के बिना सभी प्रकार के लोगों के प्रति न्यायपूर्वक व्यवहार करते हुए अपने कर्तव्यों का निर्वहन करूंगा।
The national flag is about to leave the parade ground. All the invitees are requested to stand up in their places as the national anthem will be played as a mark of respect to the national flag when it passes through the parade ground, and the officers in uniform shall salute.
दर्शकों से अनुरोध है कि राष्ट्रध्वज के सम्मान में अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाए तथा वर्दीधारी सैल्यूट करें। गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू कौम पर लुटाए जा। देश के लिए मर मिटने की कस्में खाते, जोश में भरे हुए अपने स्वरों में राष्ट्र सेवा का तराना छेड़े, आंखों में अपने देश का अमित स्वाभिमान लिए बैंड की मधुर धुन पर मार्च करती हुई 71वें बैच के भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारियों की 6 टुकड़ियां और निशान, जिनका आत्मविश्वास बताता है कि इन्हें उच्च कोटि का प्रशिक्षण प्रदान किया गया है। कदम से कदम तथा हाथ से हाथ मिलाकर देश चाल में आगे बढ़ते 71वें बैच के नवयुवा परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी।
Ladies and gentlemen, this prestigious parade consists of 129 IPS probationers, including 28 lady IPS probationers. And this prestigious parade is being commanded by Miss Kiran Shruti, DV of Tamil Nadu cadre. She is the proud winner of the Prime Minister's Baton and Home Ministry's Revolver for the best all-round IPS probationer of 71 RR batch. Platoon number 1 consists of 21 IPS probationers and is being commanded by Shri Kalaivanan R of Agmut cadre. He is the winner of Shri Bhupnanda Mishra Memorial Trophy for the second best all-round probationer of 71 RR batch. Platoon number 2 consists of 21 IPS probationers and is being commanded by Shri Aditya Mishra of Madhya Pradesh cadre. He is the winner of the Vice President of India's Trophy for exemplary conduct. Platoon number 3 consists of 21 IPS probationers and is being commanded by Shri Deshmukh Yatish Vijay Rao of Maharashtra cadre. He is the winner of the Jaipur Cup for PT. The prestigious Nishan Toli is being commanded by Inspector DI Surya Bhan Singh, and Nishan is being carried by Inspector DI Satish Mali. Platoon number 4 consists of 22 IPS probationers and is being commanded by Miss Aanchal Dalal of Maharashtra cadre. She is the winner of 1958 batch IPS Officers Trophy for the best lady outdoor probationer. Platoon number 5 consists of 21 IPS probationers and is being commanded by Shri K. Vijay Shankar of Jharkhand cadre. He is the winner of the IPS Association Sword of Honor for the best outdoor probationer of 71 RR batch. Platoon number 6 consists of 21 IPS probationers and is being commanded by Shri Tushar Gupta of Punjab cadre. He is the proud winner of the Tong Cup for equitation. The beautiful band contingent of instrumentalists is led by Bandmaster Rakesh Babu of SVP NPA. This beautiful band contingent includes 3rd Battalion TSSP Brass Band Ibrahim Patnam, 12th Battalion TSSP Pipe Band Nalgonda, RPF Brass Band Maulali, SVP NPA Brass Band Hyderabad. The band is bringing up every moment alive. The synchronized marching of the troops is revealing the actual meaning of uniform and uniformity. The Academy has trained them to be fearless in action and steadfast in deeds. Ambitious, courageous, determined are these young officers, marching confidently to the beats of the drum, marching in unison, heralding a dawn of new era. These platoons consist of smartly dressed up, energetic, young and smart members of the Indian Police Service, marching with their moral high to the tune of the band in proper alignment.
राष्ट्रीय पुलिस अकादमी का मुख्य उद्देश्य है कि भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के लिए ऐसा नेतृत्व प्रदान करना है जो साहस, गर्व और समर्पण के साथ जनता के प्रति उत्कृष्ट सेवा भावना रखते हुए पुलिस बल को आगे बढ़ा सके तथा देश का उत्तरोत्तर विकास में सहायक हो सके।
Shut! Dikshan Parade! Vishram!
Now, Joint Director Basic Course, Shri N. Matsudna Reddy is requested to present his report.
Course report. Basic course training for the 71st batch of regular recruits of the Indian Police Service commenced at this prestigious academy on 17th December 2018 and is concluding today with this passing out parade. Total of 131 IPS officers, including 28 lady officers, have completed basic course training spanning over 106 weeks duration. Inputs were provided to them on various law and police related subjects. A number of sensitization, orientation and competency modules were conducted to groom the officers to enforce law impartially in tune with the requirements of democratic policing. Widgets and attachments were organized to facilitate the officer trainees for relating classroom knowledge to the field requirements. The trainee officers have undergone jungle survival and operational modules with greyhounds, weapon training at Central School of Weapons and Tactics, rock climbing and river crafting with ITBP, attachment with CRPF in the left-wing extremist affected areas, and with Army in Jammu and Kashmir. The outdoor training is equally intense and is focused on making the officer trainees physically fit and professionally skilled. Skill modules were conducted on handling of sophisticated weapons like Glocks, AK-47, MP5, sniper rifles, mortars, and grenade launchers. Other components of outdoor training includes inputs on tactics, horse riding, swimming, unarmed combat, and yoga. As a part of tactical exercises, each officer trainee present here had completed 2 route marches of 25 kilometers each and one of 40 kilometers with a rifle and a rucksack of prescribed load. The trainee officers had district practical training for 28 weeks. It was during this part of training that COVID surfaced in our country. Corona was such an unprecedented pandemic that tested the real worth of every frontline warrior, including the police. It was in times like these that we get an opportunity to lead from the front. When the whole nation was grappling with the viral load, it was this batch of 131 officer trainees of Indian Police Service who stood tall and moved ahead at the cost of risking their lives for the citizens of the country. As many as 56 of them were actually deployed in the red zones. It is because of their sense of selfless duty and moral courage in facing this pandemic, we call them Corona Warriors. They are very, very special to this prestigious academy and an asset to the country. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now cups and trophies will be awarded to the IPS probationers for their outstanding performance during their basic course.
विजेता आगे बढ़ेगा।
request respected director to kindly present the cups and trophies to the winners. Ms. Kiran Shruti DV for the Mehta Cup for Studies. Ms. Kiran Shruti DV. Shri K. Vijay Shankar for the SRB Cup for Drill. Shri K. Vijay Shankar. Shri Deshmukh Yatish Vijay Rao for the Jaipur Cup for PT. Shri Deshmukh Yatish Vijay Rao. Shri K. Vijay Shankar for the BSF Trophy for Proficiency in Outdoor Subjects. Shri K. Vijay Shankar. Shri Tushar Gupta for the Tong Cup for Equitation. Shri Tushar Gupta. Ms. Anchal Dalal for 1958 Batch IPS Officers Trophy for the Best Lady Outdoor Probationer. Ms. Anchal Dalal. Mishra Memorial Trophy for the second best all-round probationer, Shri Kalaivanan R. Ms. Kiran Shruti DV for 1973 Batch IPS Officers Trophy for the Best All-Round Lady IPS Probationer, Ms. Kiran Shruti DV. Shri K. Vijay Shankar for the IPS Association Sword of Honor for the Best Outdoor Probationer of 71 RR Basic Course, Shri K. Vijay Shankar. Ms. Kiran Shruti DV for the Prime Minister's Baton and Home Ministry's revolver for the best all-round IPS probationer of 71 RR batch, Ms. Kiran Shruti, DV. Dr. O.P. Mishra, IPS, Joint CP Economics Offense Wing, New Delhi, for Prime Minister's Silver Cup for the essay competition 2020. Dr. O.P. Mishra is not here to receive the trophy due to the pandemic COVID-19. It will be awarded to him on subsequent occasion. Thank you, sir.
विजेता सब जाओ विजेता सल्यूट विजेता पीछे मुड़ विजेता मध्य से तेज चल
Now respected director is kindly requested to deliver his address and give his blessings to the 71 RR batch.
Distinguished guests, members of the print and electronic media, my colleagues in the academy, parade commander of today's Dikshant parade, Ms. Kiran Shruti, dear probationers of 70th and 71st RR batch, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, has kindly consented to grace this event as the chief guest and will have a live interaction with the officers after the parade today. The Academy is grateful for his virtual presence and guidance to the officers at the time when they would be taking their first step in the service of the nation. 131 officers, including 28 lady officers, have completed their basic course training today. The passing out parade is a cherished and unforgettable event in the life of a police officer. It is the culmination of a phase of rigorous training and the beginning of yet another challenging journey. This is the moment which gives a sense of accomplishment, pride and happiness, and at the same time, a feeling of excitement for what now lies ahead. My heartiest congratulations to all of you and your family members on this very memorable occasion. Even though the families are not physically present, but I am sure they will be watching this parade and feeling so proud of their sons and daughters. I congratulate the parade commander, all platoon commanders, and every single one of you for the brilliant parade, absolutely outstanding, that you have put up today. I also congratulate all the trophy winners and their family members. You all have made us especially proud when you led from the front in the field in your district training during the corona pandemic. We are proud of all our Corona warriors. But that was only the beginning. The nation has high expectations from you, and I'm confident that you will rise to the occasion each and every time. The training you have received here would surely bring out the best in you. You are expected to be above any personal considerations and work for the safety and security of the citizens and of your own force as well. Your own comfort will come last each and every time. When in dilemma, remember Mahatma Gandhi's talisman. Recall the face of the poorest and the weakest man whom you may have seen, and ask yourself if the step you contemplate is going to be of any use to him. Before I came to the parade, I went to the Martyrs Memorial to lay a wreath and pay my respects. When you discharge your duties through the length of your career, do not forget for a moment the ultimate sacrifice made by freedom fighters, uniformed personnel, and all patriots for this nation. The Honorable Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah, has conveyed his best wishes to all the officers on parade and exhorted them to serve with sincerity and integrity for fulfilling the smart police vision of the Honorable Prime Minister. The Indian Police Service has contributed immensely to nation building, and you all, I am sure, will continue this glorious tradition. I wish you all the very best. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
परेड कमांडर परिवीक्षाधीन अधिकारी सुश्री किरण श्रुति डीवी परेड को निष्क्रमण करने की अनुमति हेतु मंच की ओर अग्रसर।
परेड के निष्क्रमण के लिए आज्ञा चाहती हूँ श्रीमान।
अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाए तथा वर्दीधारी सैल्यूट करे।
परेड विश्राम। परेड निष्क्रमण के लिए चेचे की बारी में दाहिने बाएं से दाहिने बाएं घूम धीरे चल।
Ladies and gentlemen, the peeling off has started. These young officers are about to take their first step in the service of the nation. We salute you, officers. Live a life of dignity, humility, and empathy. You should be men and women who shall weather many storms and still stand tall, very tall. Marching to the tune of Auld Lang Syne in perfect coordination, with their head held high and dreams in their eyes for a prosperous nation, are these young officers of 71st Basic Course. Coming in front of you from left to right are Rigaki, Aishwarya, Shefali, Vishakha, Snehapriya, Pooja.
ऋतिराज, नितिका, प्रीति, पंकज, सुप्रिया, निकिता।
Prachi, Tanushri, Santosh, Krishnakant, Bisma, Shrishti.
आरती, अश्वघोष, पूजा, मुकेश, उपासना, कांता।
Pratham, Shaurya, Somendra, Yogesh, Lavina, Shashri.
सैयद अली, निखिल, विकास, अर्पण, स्नेहा, अभिलाष।
Kumar Chinta, Vikas, Anjaneya, Arvind, Ajit, Lokeshwaran.
अनिल, प्रमोद, साहिल, राजश्री, विक्रांत, रमेश।
Nilesh, Akshay, Kanchan, Akshay, Puran.
श्रुति, सिद्धार्था, अभिमन्यु, अभिषेक, विकास, पदम।
Abhay, Ankita, Adarsh, Sandeep, Nagraj, Ranjit.
ओम प्रकाश, आदित्य, एल्बर्ट, रूपेश, जगदीश, मनीष।
Akhil, Sahil, Krishnakant, Sohail, Manikanta.
सागर, साद, प्रवीण, नीतीश, सौरभ, अमित।
Vikas, Shrutkirti, Swapnil, Rohit, Imran, Lakhan.
अंकिता, किरण, सुवेंद्र, अंशु, मनोज।
Amit, Suraj, Nikhil, Vaibhav, Balaswamy, Pushkin.
अर्श, अक्षत, कुंदन, अभिनव, सुशील, समय।
Abhimanyu, Harshvardhan, Adarsh, Rahul, Manav, Siddharth.
पलाश, तुषार, आसिम, राहुल, शफीन।
Ashok, Harsh, Vivek, Akshat, Ajay, Nitish.
कलाईवनन, आदित्य, यतीश, आंचल, विजय शंकर, तुषार।
And Parade Commander, Miss Kiran Shruti, DV.
आज की इस ऐतिहासिक दीक्षांत परेड का साक्षी बनने के लिए आप सभी का धन्यवाद। दो पंक्तियों के साथ हम भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के नवयुवा अधिकारियों को शुभकामनाएं देते हैं। सेनानी करो प्रयाण अभय, सारा आकाश तुम्हारा है, ये नक्षत्र अमन के बुझते हैं, ये नक्षत्र अमन के बुझते हैं, भावी इतिहास तुम्हारा है। हार्दिक शुभकामनाओं सहित आप सभी को उप निरीक्षक यशवर्धनी और उप निरीक्षक अश्विनी का नमस्कार।
Thank you all for being part of this prestigious parade. Jai Hind.